Today we're diving into OKRs, specifically for our IT professionals. Objective Key Results, or OKRs, are a goal-setting framework that helps organizations set, track, and achieve their goals. Let's explore a few examples. First up, we have improve system security. Key results for this could be reduce system vulnerabilities by 50%, or implement two-factor authentication across all platforms. Next, we have enhance user experience. Key results here could include decrease average ticket resolution time by 30%, or increase user satisfaction scores by 20%. Lastly, optimize IT costs. Key results? Think reduce software costs by 10%, or decrease hardware downtime by 15%. Remember, the key to successful OKRs is to make them specific, measurable, ambitious, and relevant. Stay focused, stay driven, and watch your IT department thrive.